there's no one to save me.
Cool. Skylar, what is it?
The baby ostrich. Oh my gosh, mommy.
Is it?
He's so cute.
Heal, somebody to know, somebody to have, somebody to hold. It's easy to say, but it's never the same. I guess I kinda